I feel this IT revolution what we are having today, we have everything in our hands, and after the and about that we also are getting ranks in recent years. వాళ్ళని చూసి ప్రేరణ చెంది and inspire అయ్యి పిల్లలు they are moving towards the civil services, and also we have the good works which are being done by civil servants are today in media, and social media వల్ల పిల్లలు మనం కూడా ఇలా, for example, it was in my case also in some senses that the way I saw the videos of bureaucrats, that inspired me, and one day we could also become like that, and basically the way we want always to go to the big positions annadi, it inspires people. So I believe that the social media influence in positive direction is inspiring people across Telugu states to go towards civil services.